Today we're going to talk about struggling students' strengths. In another video, we'll talk about the weaknesses, but today we're going to focus on the strengths. And what's so great about being a struggling student is you have so many strengths. But today we're going to focus on in a couple strengths that I would like to highlight. Number one is they think outside the box, where they have a math problem, let's say, and the teacher taught them one way and they just can't get it that way. But they think of it another way, they get the math problem, and you're just like, or they get it really quickly, and you're like, wow, that was impressive, that's unbelievable. It just shows how intuitive they are, and they can figure out how to get the problem done quickly. Number two is they have a super strength. And this could look differently in different ways. It might not necessarily show in school. It might show up later in life. Maybe they're really athletic and they're really good on the sports on the gridiron. You're like, wow, they're just brilliant at it. Or they're really good at music. That gives them the talent. They hear music differently than anybody else. They're like, whoa, and they become a really good musician. Other ones might be allowed to be entrepreneurs or CEOs of big companies or create a big company. And they think very differently outside the box. And also, they're great with interacting with people, things of that sort. And boom, there you go. There's your super strength to allow those things to happen. Number three, they're really, really smart. It might not show up in school that way, but as the skills I prior mentioned, they are just so brilliant and they just understand things much differently than others. And that's okay because it allows them to be successful. Maybe they are really good at thinking through certain problems, really good at puzzles, or maybe they're really good at chess, problem solving, or whatever the case might be. It's going to be really critical if you give them the proper praise and give them the encouragement to move them forward, and this will really help them becoming what they are meant to become. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a wonderful rest of your week.